Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you our Forex weekly analysis for the week of July 19 to the 23rd. So far we have done amazing this month of July. Even the July is supposed to be a slow month, including the August that is coming. So guys, I'm gonna show you step by step exactly how I'm gonna break down our weekly analysis, so stay with me to the end for a surprise that I'm gonna give you, and you will be like, what, are you serious, Irvin? But you are, as you know, this is Teamwitherving. If you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified so you don't miss any video from us. So stay to the end with me, guys, so I will give you a surprise to the end. Let's go. So let me show you what our week is all about. So welcome to our Forex weekly analysis. Let's go. So we are gonna go ahead and start with gold. Pay close attention what gold is doing, guys. So always I need to remind you, always pay attention to your dashboard. What is your dashboard doing? Dashboard here is letting us know the market is giving us still in a buy position, except the 1 hour, 30 minute and 50 minute. So pay close attention. Now, what is your multiple time frame is doing? Multiple time frame in here is giving us a buy position. What is our sniper entry doing? Our sniper entry is also giving us a buy position. What it is our TW sniper entry letting us know? We are also in a bullish position. So right now, guys, the market is still trending bullish, so it's giving us a pullback. So gold it is in a buy position as a pullback. So this week the market was getting ready for a continuation of the big sell. So because gold, remember, gold is selling, guys. It's not bullish. Gold is sell. So what we are expecting to see this coming week, guys, for the week of July 19 to the 23rd, market is gonna make a retracement, retesting your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. From there, market will continue as a bearish. So, but we still gonna meet and see this on this coming Wednesday, guys. Make sure you do subscribe so you never ever miss any content from us. All right, so far so good. All right, so let me know if you do have any question, guys. We here live anyway. Let me show you the next pair that I have. The next pair that I'm gonna analyze for you, it is USD Canadian. USD Canadian, guys, still very bullish. Pay close attention. What is your sniper entry doing? Sniper entry here is still very bullish. Everything it is bullish. Now the question here is, what it is our sniper entry doing? The sniper entry here is letting us know that we are still in a valid buy position. So market here is going accordingly based on what we know. Market still bullish. So my understanding, guys, market still gonna be pushing up. There's no level to show you, so I make this magenta line in here. So market still have room to continue up for another 16, or most is gonna go is 35 pips, and from there market still bullish. Remember that, because it's not bearish. Market still bullish here, so we're looking for a red arrow right at this position here, and boom, we are gonna be selling this bad boy. So this sell here is gonna be a pullback. So right now, guys, this trade USD Canadian has 520 pips. That is $5,000 in there, guys, sitting on the market. So who want to grab some of those $5,000, right? This market is what the market is doing, guys. It's not lying. So guys, one thing that I need to let you know is if you want to grab our multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do so. The link is below. But if you're not ready yet to grab our multiple time frame, you can sign up to our YouTube Gold membership, where you're gonna get access to our live training. you're gonna be exposed how our multiple time frame work, every rules that we have for 30 days. After those 30 days, you can cancel your membership. The only thing that you will not have access is to the system, but at least you're gonna be exposed to every single thing that we know. Then from there, you can say, you know what, this is for me, I'm gonna get it, but you will love it. I'm telling you, you will love it. All right, so let me show you the next pair that I have. The next pair here, it is Eurusd, guys. Eurusd is going to be in a fire this coming week. Oh my God, look at what our system is letting us know here. Our system is already formed our multiple time frame. What are we expecting to see here? We are expecting to see our, what do you think it is? What do you think it is? Well, it is our TW sniper entry going as a buy position, but this week, guys, market still trending down. There's nothing else than just being a bearish position. So market still gonna retrace back, retesting this previous multiple time frame arrows, and from there we got a signal. Boom! We are gonna be heading as a buy position, but this buy position, guys, is going to be a pullback. So stay with me, guys. Don't think this is gonna be a long-term trade. So it's just gonna be doing a pullback. Okay, let me know in the comment below, guys, if you do have any question. Hopefully you guys are finding value from this video. If you are finding value, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below so I can understand what kind of issue do you have. But don't forget that comment below, guys. Comment below, because I mean, hey, I'm here for you. So let me go ahead and move on with our next pair, right? The next pair that I have, it is Gbpusd, guys. Gbpusd is selling. Who is in this sell position? Because if you are in this position, on this sell position, you are on fire. Remember that the video that I always put, that we are on what? Hold on. Teamwitherving is on fire. That is true, guys. We are in fire, so stay with me. So Gbpusd is still trending down. Pay close attention to our multiple time frame, letting us know that we are in continuation of that sell, and that is exactly what the market is doing. It is dropping, so still gonna drop, guys, all the way to your 0 Fibonacci, retesting your previous entry here. Then we're gonna be in a buy position, because our TWE sniper entry, it is giving us a, what do you guys think is giving us here, guys? What do you guys think this buy position represent? Because hey, I want you to understand. So this represent a pull what back. That's what it is, guys. And let me know if you guys are confused, guys, and then from there, once the market continues as a bullish market, it will make a small retracement. But we're gonna meet this coming Wednesday anyway at 3 p.m. 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review the market live with you. But just remember one thing, guys, like I say, you know, if you want to grab join our Gold membership and have a subscription for 30 days so you can be exposed to our multiple time frame, go ahead and sign up. If you do sign up, send me a private telegram so I can make sure I give you access to every class that we are gonna be in it. And guess what? You're gonna be getting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? Hold on. And hundreds of pips. Let's go. Go. Guys, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm super excited. I just upgraded my office, and guess what? I just purchased a treadmill. The treadmill is under my desk, so right now I'm making this video and I'm doing exercise at the same time. So I'm keeping myself super healthy. Today I burned 18,000 steps. Can you believe that? That is freaking amazing. And I'm making your video your best video ever. So make sure you guys come and join us our gold membership. The next spread that I'm gonna give you today, it is Usdjpy. Let's go. Who is making hundreds and hundreds of pips with Usdjpy? Because this right here, it is awesome. All right, so First, pay close attention to your sniper entry. Look at that. Boom, bearish, bullish, all over the place. The goal here is, what is your multiple time frame doing? Oh, it's selling. What is our sniper entry doing? It's selling. Look at the stairs. Boom, it's selling. So that means market is selling, right? That means the market, it is going in one direction. In that direction, it is selling. So what is my understanding? Remember, Usdjpy is doing a small pullback right now. It's just getting ready for the continuation of the sell. But all I can say this week, guys, market's still gonna be pushing down and dropping another probably 10-15 pips. The market will continue as its original trend because it's doing a pullback, then retesting your 61 to your 50 Fibonacci line. From there, boom, we're all gonna be going in the same direction that we know, which is selling. So I'm super excited, guys. Another thing, guys, that I need to let you know. Remember what I said, guys, at the beginning. Stay with me to the end because I need to give you some news, some updates here on our channel. And the one thing that before I do forget is the following, guys. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you don't know how to trade the market, please don't trade it because this business, it could be very dangerous if you don't know how to trade it. So just stay away and learn all the rules. But if you want me to help you, to teach you how to look at the market, how to trade the chart, make sure you do subscribe to our channel. If you want to sign up to our gold membership so you can get access for 30 days, that is fine as well. If you want to grab a multiple time frame, which is the best choice, then go ahead and do it. All the links are below. Now let me go ahead, remember what I said, stay with me to the end. So for a surprise, and the surprise is the following, guys. I'm cutting off our pre-week videos. So because anyway, I'm giving you all this data for free. Why am I doing that? Because I just got some screenshot from all the traders showing my analysis, and they charging you guys, well, probably not you, but all the viewers, they're charging you guys hundreds and hundreds of dollars for what I'm giving you here for free. It's not fair. It's not fair. So I don't want you guys to be, scam and make all the people are making money out of my idea. That is BS. So I need to stop that. So I need to give you one content, the weekly. So make sure you always support the channel, guys, giving me a thumbs up if you think all this is valuable so far. And thank you anyway for being loyal to me, and sign up to our gold membership if you haven't done so. All right, so we can keep moving this business forward and forward and forward. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you today, it is the following. It is Euro NCD. What do you think Euro NCD is doing? Euro NCD is selling. It is selling. It's sad that it's doing a minor pullback. But why is the market selling? Multiple time frame is here. TWE sniper entry is here. And guess what? Market is selling. But we do have a minor pullback. So that pullback, it is valid. So I can say market still have another 15, probably 10, 15 pips coming to this previous multiple time frame green arrow here. Then market will continue his trend because we are selling. So Euro NCD, it is selling here. So we're looking for this market to continue as a sell position. All right, so here market is selling. So let me know in the comment below if you do disagree with me. because if you do disagree with me, I would love to hear. So we are coming back anyway this coming Wednesday. We're gonna review the video that we are doing today. So I'm super happy to call this our Forex weekly analysis, because there will be no longer adding additional pre-week videos so other people can start benefiting themselves. It's not fair, to be honest. It's not fair. I just want to give you content where you're gonna benefit one time instead of them. So enough is enough. Anyway, I'm doing this from the bottom of my heart for free. So, but I don't like when people cheat, you know. But welcome to our Forex weekly analysis, guys. This is for the week of the 19th to the 23rd of July. So far, we have done amazing on the last 2 weeks of our videos. So once again, guys, thank you so much. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do a live streaming. If you want to join us, let me know, and you will be more than happy to be in it. All right, so go ahead, guys. Don't forget to sign up to our Go membership. So see you on the other side. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.